Hi everybody, I'm here today to review how to use the IVF strategy. So if you remember, IVF is a way of writing your topic sentence for a summary paragraph that you would write after you've done one of our readings. So what you're looking at right now is the IVF resource document, which I will repost in Google Classroom. Remember, this is just helping you to write your topic sentence. So I stands for identifying what you read. V stands for the verb. So what did that article or story or textbook, what did it do for you? Did it explain something to you? Did it define something? Did it clarify something for you? And then the F is where you finish your thought. That's where you're going to kind of summarize all the important ideas that you just read about. So I'm going to go through an example with you using activity 42, which should have been the first packet that you would have completed with a reading. So I'm going to switch screens to activity 42. So let's pretend that you already read the article, and hopefully now you can see the little paragraph summary box at the very end of the activity 42 document. So remember, you need to identify what you read. Well, guess what? For activity 42, I already did this for you. I said the article, and then I put the title of the article, a closer look. That's identified what we just read. And then I had to choose a verb. So if you look at the IVF resource, there's all these verbs here to pick from. Adds, advises, answers, hopefully didn't confuse. I chose the word explain. So in my summary, I used the word explains. So I said the article, a closer look, explains. Now the F, this is kind of the hard part. This is where you have to go back, scroll back up to all the main ideas that you typed here on the side and put together what was the main thing that this article was explaining about. I'm gonna guess that you probably put something about cells, right? The article was giving you information about cells. So what were the main ideas that you got from each section about cells? And that's how you're going to finish your paragraph. So I'm going to scroll back down. I'm not going to type my ideas because I want you to type them. And that's how you're going to finish your topic sentence here. And then there's more space, and this purple box will get bigger. You're going to want to still write 3 to 5 sentences that support this topic sentence. So what I would recommend is going back through and choosing some of these main idea sentences that you wrote down on the side of your packet. You may have typed them if you did this as a Google Doc, or you may have written them. But I would combine all those sentences together in a 3 to 5 sentence paragraph. What I'll post on Google Classroom is I'll repost this IVF resource, and I also am going to post a reminder about sharing your Google Doc with me, or you can take a picture of your summary and post it in Google Classroom or turn it in as an assignment, and I can give you feedback on it. So I will make a post in Google Classroom about that. Please keep emailing me if you have questions. If you don't have a place to answer questions or write a summary, as in packet number 3, start a new Google Doc and type a summary. And again, use this IVF strategy where you're writing a topic sentence and supporting it with 3 to 5 supporting sentences. All right, this is the end of this video. I hope to be able to see you guys in a Zoom meeting very soon. Thank you.